So I present you with my failed attempt at making Ethiopian food for the first time. I made all these dishes, but I'm going to teach you how I made my injera, which is the flatbread. So I started with 1 cup of tough flour, and then I added half a packet of yeast, and then to that I added half a teaspoon of sugar and salt. I added some apple cider vinegar, but you can use white vinegar, some baking powder, and I did 2 cups of warm water. And I mixed that all together until I got this like clay-like consistency. I covered that and let it sit for about an hour. And then once that was done, I heated up a pan, poured some of my mixture in, flipped it. You want to see those bubbles. And then I plated it with all the rest of my food, and there you have it. So part 7 of making food from around the world. Today I decided to make cachapas from Venezuela, which is a really popular dish there. So I started with 1 cup of sweet corn flour. I added 1 cup of water and 1/4 cup of oat milk, but you can use any type of milk. I mixed that until it's all combined and let that sit for around 6 or 7 minutes so the liquids could absorb. And then on a hot griddle, I kind of poured my mixture onto the griddle and let that flip until it was nice and golden brown, probably like 3 to 4 minutes. And I flipped that again. I added some queso fresco, but I know that in Venezuela they have a specific type of cheese that they use. Press that together so the cheese would melt like that, and it's a perfect combination of like sweet and salty, and it was really tasty. And I had it in the morning with my coffee, and yeah, there you go. So part 8 of making food from around the world. Today I made pão de queijo from Brazil. So I put 2 cups of tapioca flour and set that to the side. Then I combined a teaspoon of salt with 1/4 cup of water, 2/3 cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and I let that slightly boil in a pot. And then I set my oven to 400 degrees beforehand, but I mixed all my liquid together. I had to work really fast, especially with this flour. I added 1 egg and I mixed that together. I then added some queso fresco and parmigiano reggiano because I'm a slut for cheese. And then I mixed that all together, and then to scoop it out I added around 1 tablespoon each, and then I wet my hands with some oil and water so the product wouldn't like stick together. And then I set that into the oven for around 16 to 18 minutes, and it turned out like this. They're so good, and I absolutely love making these.